Looking for a simple way to upgrade your boat's audio without replacing your entire stereo system? The Fusion MS-BT100 Bluetooth module is designed to bring wireless streaming to your marine stereo with ease, letting you enjoy your favorite playlists on the water. No fuss, no interruptions. What sets the MS-BT100 apart is its rugged, IP65 certified water resistance and specialized marine voltage protection. This means it's built to handle the unpredictable conditions of the marine environment, whether you're cruising through choppy waters or docked in the marina. The module safeguards your stereo from voltage spikes and fluctuating currents, so your music stays crystal clear and uninterrupted. Installation is straightforward. Simply connect the MS-BT100 to any Fusion marine stereo with an auxiliary input, and you're ready to stream. It works with Apple, Android, Windows, BlackBerry, and any other A2DP Bluetooth-enabled device. Plus, with direct media device control, you can easily select tracks, albums, or playlists directly from your device without fumbling with the stereo controls. And with a wireless range of up to 33 feet, you can move freely around your vessel while keeping your music playing smoothly. One user shared how effortless it was to install the MS-BT100 on an older Clarion head unit. They simply plugged the adapter into the back of their stereo, left it tucked away, and enjoyed flawless Bluetooth streaming without any complicated setup or mounting. This kind of plug-and-play convenience makes it a smart choice for anyone wanting to modernize their boat's audio system without hassle. The MS-BT100 is compatible with a broad range of Fusion stereos, including models like the MS-CD80, MS-RAW50, MS-IP600, MS-AV600, and more. So whether you're upgrading a newer system or breathing new life into an older setup, this module fits right in. If you're ready to bring wireless convenience and marine-grade durability to your boat's sound system, the Fusion MS-BT100 offers a reliable, easy-to-use solution. Worth a look if you want seamless Bluetooth streaming that keeps pace with your adventures on the water. Try it when you're ready to enjoy music your way, without compromise.